Part 2. Crafting a Compelling Brand Identity. Welcome back to our series on starting a business with ChatGPT. In this episode, we delve into the art of crafting a compelling brand identity, a vital step in establishing a strong presence in the market. Step 1. Define your brand. To begin, you must clearly define your brand's essence. What values and principles will your business embody? What is the unique promise you make to your customers? Whether it's innovation, trustworthiness, or exceptional service, your brand's identity must reflect these core attributes. Step 2. Create a memorable logo and visual identity. Visual elements play a significant role in brand recognition. Design a distinctive logo and choose a consistent color palette and typography that align with your brand's personality. These visual cues will be your brand's signature. Step 3. Craft a captivating brand story. Stories connect people on a personal level. Develop a compelling brand narrative that outlines your journey, values, and mission. Your story should resonate with your target audience and convey why your business matters. Step 4. Determine your unique selling proposition, USP. What sets your ChatGPT-powered business apart from competitors? Your USP is the answer to this question. Highlight what makes you special, whether it's superior AI capabilities, outstanding customer support, or innovative solutions. Step 5. Consistency across platforms. Maintaining a consistent brand identity across all platforms is crucial. Ensure that your website, social media profiles, marketing materials, and customer interactions reflect the same brand image and messaging. Step 6. Engage your audience. Your brand identity should engage and resonate with your target audience. Tailor your messaging, tone, and content to appeal to their interests and preferences. Understand their pain points and communicate how ChatGPT can solve them. Step 7. Build trust and credibility. Trust is essential in business. Establish your credibility by providing high-quality services, delivering on promises, and maintaining transparency. Customer reviews and testimonials can also bolster your credibility. Step 8. Monitor and adapt. The business landscape is dynamic. Regularly monitor your brand's performance and adapt to changing trends and customer preferences. Your brand identity should evolve while maintaining its core values. Step 9. Embrace feedback. Listen to feedback from customers and stakeholders. Use their insights to refine your brand identity and improve your offerings. An open dialogue with your audience can lead to valuable improvements. Step 10. Protect your brand. Consider trademarking your brand elements to protect your intellectual property. Safeguarding your brand identity ensures that others cannot exploit your hard-earned reputation. Step 11. Showcase your brand through ChatGPT. Leverage ChatGPT to reinforce your brand identity in customer interactions. Customize AI responses to align with your brand's tone and values, enhancing the overall user experience. Step 12. Market your brand effectively. Craft a marketing strategy that amplifies your brand identity. Use social media, content marketing, and targeted advertising to reach your audience and build brand recognition. Crafting a compelling brand identity is an ongoing process that evolves with your business. Stay tuned for Part 3, where we'll explore the exciting journey of launching your ChatGPT-powered business.